Good day to all prospective employers. My name is Josephine de la Cruz. I am 36 years old. I am married and I have two children. My eldest son is 13 years old and my youngest daughter is 12 years old. I am a high school graduate. I work in Dubai as domestic helper for almost 5 years at the same employers. I serve 5 family members, 2 adults and 3 children. The children are 10 years old, 8 years old, and 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, and especially to take care of the children, and I will treat them as my own. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, if you hire me, I will do my best and I will follow your rules and regulations. Looking forward to my new employers. I will finish my 2 years contract and more as long as you want me to serve you. Thank you and have a good day.